easy3dbiz.com, giving you an update right here on the wheat bran effect, also known as the wheat bran battery, or the reason magnesium is conducting the energy so well. Magnesium is basically the metal that absorbs refractive objects, or the refractive qualities of quantum zero-point energy substances, and it absorbs it like a magnet. Right here I have some wheat bran. Wheat bran is very, very high in magnesium. And out of this small amount of wheat bran, they're going to get about half a volt. So let's pour some wheat bran in here like this. I got this from my local co-op, self-serve bulk bin. So it's I didn't need to buy a whole bunch of it. And you'll notice on my leads right here, I'm not using any magnesium. Okay? Because I'm not using any magnesium, the magnesium is in here. Okay? So what we're going to do next is add a little bit of distilled water. Got some distilled water right here. I'm going to go ahead and pour the distilled water in here like this. There we go. I'm going to put just enough in there so it's moist like a paste. And what's happening is because the optical properties of water are highly refractive, they're creating a huge amount of energy. And all we need is the right conductors to tap it. So right now I have a paste right here with the wheat bran. And I have my voltmeter right here. They're all connected up, ready to go. I'll put this in view right here so you guys can see it. Now, got the wheat bran right here. Got the leads, no magnesium. Go ahead and bring the leads up to the wheat bran. Now I'm going to connect the red lead at the end of the paper right here where it's wet. Okay? So I got the red lead here, and then I got the other piece here. You see? This is 0.130, 1.134. And this is all from wheat bran. See? I got points. I could probably get up to 0.2. I could probably get about probably 0.15, 16. It slowly climbs if you're patient. 17, 12. And remember, all this is a piece of wheat bran, piece of paper, and the reason this works is because the high magnesium in the wheat bran right here is creating the voltage. So that's pretty interesting, but it's all based on the magnesium, which is absorbing the highly refractive, reflective energies from the quantum objects, and that's what's happening right here. You have to have highly refractive quantum objects, and a piece of magnesium, which is completely the opposite, which absorbs it like a magnet. Right now we're going to go ahead and look at our new prototypes. I'll go ahead and take them outside because they're drying right now. I dry them in the sun so they get nice and dry. And we'll go ahead and take a look at them. Stand by. These are the new prototypes. Basically I'm using the best formulas. And in this one right here, I'm using overunity, which is very, very full of magnesium. And the overunity will hopefully help increase the conductivity and once again boost the signal. I still have a couple of the pyrite formulas with galena. I'm still testing them out. I got the corrosion test strips right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but testing it so the rate of corrosion. Basically, we'll take a look at how the rate of corrosion goes. Once again, this is one of my best formulas. This has got like the overunity in here on this mix, and then I have the Epsom salts and the sodium alginate, etc., etc. And yes, the last prototype, I've used a piece of fiber paper down here to see how it goes, etc., etc. So basically, we're looking for the least corrosive effect on the magnesium, and we're looking for the one that yields the most voltage. I always dry these outside in the sun so that they can get an even, nice, even drying texture. and I put them out here in the backyard, so they not only remain outdoors, and I can get lots of air to go through them and to dry as much as possible, but also to make sure that the sun gets through there and actually bakes it like a ceramic. So it's like a clay, like you're baking a clay oven. But they're really, really fun to work with. Most of these are non-toxic. This one here is basically no galena, and it's got no pyrite, and that's the best part about it too. But it's very easy to work with, and it yields a lot of voltage. So we'll see how we'll measure these prototypes. I'll let them dry for about 3 to 5 days, so they're fully dry, and then I test the voltage on them again. Anyway, I'd like to thank you all for watching. I wish you all a wonderful week ahead and continued luck and success in your zero-point energy research. And wish you all a wonderful week ahead. Thank you for watching. Bye.